In this video, I will show you how to choose between LocalSend and Blip for sharing your files across different devices. Both tools are excellent for skipping the cloud and sending data over your local network, but they serve different needs. LocalSend is a fan favorite because it is completely open source and works on almost every operating system imaginable. It requires no internet connection and does not use external servers, which makes it incredibly private and secure for sensitive documents. On the other hand, Blip offers a more modern and polished interface that focuses on ease of use. While LocalSend is fantastic for tech enthusiasts who want full control, Blip streamlines the process with a slicker design and simple pairing. If you value transparency and cross-platform flexibility above all else, LocalSend is your best bet. However, if you want the fastest setup with the most intuitive mobile experience, Blip might win you over. Try them both to see which matches your workflow.